1, 2, 3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if
Hey guys, and welcome to today's vlog. Today is round 2 of avocado. Ding, ding, ding.
You interested in this spoon? Or you just interested in mama? Hey. Do you want some avocado?
Open up.
Open up. Mmm. Mmm.
What do you think?
Is it pretty tasty?
Tickle, I don't know, Dad.
Put a little bit more at the end, maybe.
So I gotta actually open my mouth first. Oh. Most of that's coming right back out. Some of it might get swallowed. You'll bet. Oh.
Going back in for more.
She's like, Dad, I don't know about this.
Do you have much in your mouth still? You don't want to keep stuff in your mouth if you're not doing anything with it.
She is eager and willing. Actually, yeah, a lot of that went down, didn't it?
She's like not entirely sure about the taste, but she likes the experience enough that she keeps going back to it.
She's like, Dad, you can have that back, actually. You can try to give her what's left in that spoon, or maybe just a little bit more. Huh? Can you try a little bit more?
You still want some? I think we might be done. Oh, there it goes. I was doing a pretty good job of crowd control, but you won out in the end.
You can give her the spoon if you want.
Hey guys, so I have just finished whipping up a little treat. I got a craving, so we tried this again. I think this is different than what I did last time, but mug brownie, and because our whipped cream was no good in the fridge, I have homemade whipped cream with our new immersion blender. Good for baby food and whipped cream. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and a little bit of that, and bring it in and see if Jess might want to share a little snack with me. Jess might want to share a little snack.
beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me, that's right. And if you want a good tomorrow, it's pretty simple, gotta find a light to follow. And if you do, you have a future real bright. And it's a combination of consistency. Come on and say, oh.